I'm Crane Gary and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we're going to run some trains and then I'm going to have my little helpers, my engineering conductor, and we're going to run up the stairs to the railroad kitchen and make some model railroad pizza. So all aboard for a model train adventure for Crane Gary. Ready to make railroad pizza? Come on up, man. Come on up. We're gonna make railroad pizza. There they go. All right, guys, let's go over the ingredients. Can you tell me what's in these different dishes here? What's in this first dish?
Sauce.
Sauce. What's in this one?
Cheese.
Cheese. What's over here?
Mushrooms.
Mushrooms. Oh yeah, what's over here?
Pepperoni.
Pepperoni. And this is the dough. And what kind is this? This is Mama Mary's dough, right, guys?
Yeah.
Now, Noah, did you wash your hands before doing this? All right, start putting the sauce on. Let's see how it does with the sauce. Yeah, that looks good, man. Put the sauce on. And going to spread it around. And I think what, need 2 or 3 spoons of that sauce? What do you think? That's 2 so far, right?
Yep.
You can cut to 3, right?
Yeah.
And how old are you there, guy?
Good.
But what's your age?
4.
4, he's 4. All right, he's putting the sauce on that pizza. Looking pretty good to me. What do you guys think at home there? Oh yeah, looking good. Uh-oh, really good. All right, 1 more spoonful of sauce. What do you think? 1 more and make it 4, I think, total. Put it on and spread it around good.
Salt, pepper, big piece.
All right, let's put the, what's on next? The cheese is on next, isn't it? Put some cheese on there.
Okay.
He washed his hands before doing this, so we're putting the cheese on. Oh yeah, really good looking stuff.
I think that's enough cheese.
Now put some more cheese, kind of spread it around, then we'll put some stuff on, and then we'll put some more cheese on, kind of spread it around nice. Oh yeah, it's looking really good. All right, guys, over here is the dough, and that is Mama Mary's. Over here is the special sauce, and this is available at any major supermarket across the United States. How about that, guys?
Good. Enough.
Yeah, that's enough cheese. Now let's go for the pepperoni.
Okay.
Grab some of that pepperoni there and start putting pepperoni on. Oh yeah. Kind of spread it out nice.
Yep.
His brother had to go to the bathroom, so he's missing all the fun here.
Yep. Got sauce on my hand.
Okay, whose pizza is this?
No what?
That's Noah's, okay. Who's this?
Grandma?
Grandma? And who's this?
Papa.
Okay, let's take it to the pizza stone in our oven, preheated to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. All right, put that last pizza. This is Noah's pizza going in now. In the oven, we'll close up the oven. You can see here we got it for 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're gonna cook this for about 10 minutes. All right, this is the moment we've been waiting for. Railroad style pizza. I think it's done. Let's take them out and cut them up. All right, we got them all out of the oven. Let them cool down and then we'll cut them up. My helpers had to go wash their hands off again. All right, let's use the pizza cutter and cut these pizzas up. This is the pepperoni. This was for Noah, correct? Okay, we're looking at the quarters. And they're over washing their hands. They can come down the stairs right now. All right, guys, let's start eating our railroad dinner here. Over here is Noah, and he's got the pizza. What do you think? Good, yeah. He's clapping it so good. And what do you got here, Adam?
Papa, I have a question.
Okay, what's your question?
Why did you call the pizza railroad pizza when it's not even, when it's not like railroad style thing.
It is railroad style pizza. We just came from the train room. We're making railroad pizza. This guy here looks pretty happy.
Because, yeah, yummy pizza day.
The yummy pizza. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Here he goes again. Oh, yeah. That's good stuff. All right. Adam does not like pizza, so he's having a peanut butter sandwich and corn on the cob, but he's got the special, what kind of plate's that, Adam?
Railroad choo-choo train.
Railroad choo-choo plate. Yeah. There it is. The railroad style plate. And he's got the corn on the cob and the peanut butter sandwich, and his brother's over here having fun with the pizza he made. And what kind of pizza is this, Noah?
Pepperoni.
Pepperoni. That's the world's best pizza, right?
Hey, I have a good...
Back to the train room. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Remember to ring the bell to get all the email notifications from my channel. Rate and comment. And as always, cheers from the Detroit and Mackinac Railway. And check out these fine videos from my YouTube channel.